Hi there, Kieran here at John Banks Suzuki in Bury St Edmunds. Going to be showing you around our Suzuki Splash in white with just over 31,000 miles on the clock. A very nice car with high spec. It's in very good condition and well looked after and maintained by the previous owner. These little cars are brilliant on fuel efficiency, cheap tax and very good for city driving. This particular example is fitted with rear parking sensors, keyless entry and also keyless start. It's 5 seats. Good space in the rear. Front electric windows, traction control, multi-function steering wheel, lights, wipers, and your CD player and radio there. Heated blower matrix with air conditioning, with a 5-speed manual gearbox and a manual handbrake. As mentioned, this car is in lovely condition. And just so you can see, just under 32,000 on the clock. Just brought in as part exchange. This is one of John Banks' cars. We've seen it every year. And we look forward to seeing you driving away in it. If you'd like to know more, please come visit us at Morton Hall, Kempston Way, IP 32 7AR.